Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view, edit or remove saved passwords on Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10. For this, first open the Firefox browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon and the drop down menu select settings option. Then select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find the passwords section. Under that, click on this one saved passwords button. Now in the left sidebar, select a domain you want to view, edit or delete a password. For instance, I have selected this one gearupwindows.com. On the right sidebar, you will see password is hidden. Click on this one eye icon. This will reveal the passwords. In case you want to remove it, just click this one button remove to remove selected domain login details from your browser. In case you want to edit, just click on this one edit button. Here you can change the username as well as passwords. After that, just click on this one save button to resave your login details for that domain.